Okay guys, here we go on our Junkyard LS swap project. Put the fuel pump in it. Seems to run. And it's a little rough. But we got oil pressure, we're charging, dual fuel pumps in it. So we're pumping fuel. See if we can make it around the block here. But I suppose what everybody wants to know is, will it do a burnout? No, it won't. No, it won't. It won't. It's a piece of shit. Let's take a look at this lovely unit. We got this. We traded the guy that 65 Mercury Comet and some exchange for this. And you're like, well, why would you want this? Not for this, not for the body, not the fact that it's a Chevy pickup. All we want is the LS out of it. It's 5.3, about 200,000 miles. Runs and drives. Doesn't knock, has good oil pressure. I don't know where all the power and everything else is. I haven't got into that part yet. Yeah, this is our LS donor. Standard 5.3. Like I said, no knocks, no ticks. Seems to run well. Put a new battery in it. Had to put a fuel pump in it to get it to run, just to make sure it was a good running unit before we waste our time and effort and everything pulling it out. We're not going to keep the trans. It's a 4L60. It's four-wheel drive. We're not going to keep that. All we're keeping is the engine and harness, computer, that kind of thing.